What if I told you you could secretly boost your credit score by 20 to 100 points in just a few months? Using simple tricks most people are aware of. Well, it's not a scam or a credit repair myth. It's a reality that smart savers and hustlers use every day to get ahead financially. The truth is, your credit score doesn't have to be a mystery, or something you wait years to improve. With the right moves, you can see real progress in a few months and unlock access to better loans, better credit cards, and more financial freedom. In the top part, you're already paying for this service with your monthly bills and expenses. You're just not taking advantage of it. That's about to change. In this video, ILL revealed the secret ways to boost your credit score fast in 2025, and stick around because some of these strategies may surprise you and others you won't find anywhere else. So if you're ready to take control of your finances and put yourself ahead, let's jump in. But before we dive in, do me a favor. Tap the like button if you're fired up about taking charge of your money. We've got more great money tips coming your way. While you're at it, leave a comment below with your credit score goal. Are you aiming for 700, 750, or even 800? Let's build a community committed to leveling up our credit and finances together. Here's the deal. Most people do and realize just how powerful small actions can be when it comes to boosting your credit score. For example, did you know that lowering your credit utilization by just a few percentage points can cause a big jump in your score almost immediately? Or that becoming an authorized user on someone else's account can add 100 points to your score in a few months? These aren't scams or secret hacks you have to pay for. They're proven strategies that banks and credit bureaus don't want you to know. But I'm about to spill all the beans. So let's cover the 7 credit boosting hacks you need to know in 2025. Hack number 1. Lower your utilization fast. Your credit utilization ratio is the percentage of available credit you're currently using, and this is one of the easiest areas to improve quickly. Here's the deal. Most credit cards and loans report your utilization to the credit bureaus on a monthly basis. So you have 2 main opportunities to lower your ratio each year. First, pay down any balances before the statement date to start fresh with a clean slate. And second, request a credit limit increase before the due date so your utilization drops proportionally. The best part, you can often get approved for a higher limit simply by asking a few months after opening an account. This is a sneaky way to boost your score fast without paying off any extra balances. So set calendar reminders for these dates each year and watch your score climb higher. Hack number 2. Remove errors on your credit report. 1 in 5 credit reports has errors that are lowering your score. Disputing them can be a game changer. The 3 major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, have made it easy to correct mistakes that can be hurting your score. Simply contact each bureau and they'll send you a copy of your report. Then review it carefully and look for any inaccuracies. Late payments that never happened, accounts that aren't yours, inquiries you didn't authorize. The list goes on. Once you spot errors, file a dispute online or by calling the bureau. Provide any documentation you have, and they'll investigate. On average, bureaus take 30 days to respond, but it can be worth it to watch your score rise once mistakes are cleared. You can also sign up for free services like annualcreditreport.com to monitor your progress and catch issues early. So don't let errors hold you back. Take action today to boost your score. Hack number 3. Become an authorized user. If you have a friend or family member with excellent credit, you can piggyback on their good standing by becoming an authorized user on their credit card or loan. As a non-primary user, you'll benefit from their positive payment history without having to make any payments yourself. Just make sure they keep their account in good standing. Otherwise, you won't reap the rewards. But here's the deal. The account needs to be open for at least 6 months for you to see score improvements. You won't be able to dispute any negative items, since you won't have a credit history with that account. But overall, this is a great way to boost your score fast without doing much work. Hack number 4. Use credit builder tools. Credit builder loans and secured credit cards are designed to help you establish credit by requiring a security deposit that reports to the credit bureaus as you make on-time payments. On these accounts, you'll typically see your score rise within a few months. And services like Experian Boost can even count your utility and phone bills toward your credit score. Experian looks at your history of consistently paying these bills on time and factors that into your score. Other services may also consider rental payments and other bills. So check out what options are available to you and get started. Hack number 5, optimize your credit mix. While it's important not to have too many accounts, having a mix of credit types can actually improve your score over time. Specifically, adding a small installment loan like a personal loan or a car loan can boost your score, since it shows lenders you can manage different types of credit responsibly. This strategy won't impact your score immediately, but it does help long term. So try to space out larger loans over several years rather than taking them all at once. That way you can steadily climb higher and see gradual improvement over time. Hack number 6. Pay twice a month. A little trick I guarantee you've never heard of. By making 2 smaller payments each month instead of 1 large payment, you can actually reduce your reported credit utilization. Here's how it works. Let's say you have a credit card with a $500 balance and a $2,500 limit. Your utilization ratio is 20%. Imagine you pay $100 on the first of the month and another $100 a week later. Voila! Your new utilization ratio is only 10%, even though you paid the same total amount. Since credit utilization makes up 30% of your score, this can make a big difference. Just be careful not to overpay and get charged late fees. Hack number 7. Leverage goodwill adjustments. It's a last resort. You can ask creditors to remove negative marks like late payments as a courtesy, known as a goodwill adjustment. When you've been a good customer in good standing for a while, this can be an effective strategy. Contact your creditor and explain your situation. Be polite and professional, and they may agree to clear your record. On average, 50% of goodwill requests are approved, so it's worth trying. But remember, they aren't obligated to say yes. So be respectful if they deny your request. There you have it, 7 little-known credit hacks you need to know in 2025. Look, you don't have to wait years to improve your credit score. With the right knowledge and actions, you can see real progress in a few months. The choice is yours. Will you take these steps to start leveling up your credit and unlocking access to better loans, better credit cards, and more financial freedom? I know you can do it. Remember, your score is a reflection of your financial health. So take charge of it today for a brighter tomorrow. Before you go, quick question. Have you ever tried a credit hack that boosted your score? Drop your experience in the comments below. We've got a community of hustlers building each other up. If you haven't tried a hack yet, hit that subscribe button for weekly money hacks to level up your finances. Until next time, hustle hard and smart.